All right, folks, here's the big news. You're not going to... Huge, tremendous.
Because of you.
All of you, every single person that donated the Supercar Sunday fundraiser for Rancho, San Antonio, Boys Town, Big Brothers Big Sisters, Ventura County, James Storehouse, 3 amazing foundations that support children.
I think everybody understands what Big Brothers Big Sisters, but the other two, here, James Storehouse. We have some experience in the foster system, and unfortunately kids, when they turn 18, they're just turned out. But James Storehouse, who's out of Newbury Park and also serves Los Angeles and the Valley, they help thousands of kids transition from the foster system into healthy lives.
So Rancho, San Antonio, Boys Town, and Chatsworth does the same thing. Big Brothers and Sisters as well. So that's how you change lives. But here's the big news, ladies and gentlemen. Huge news. Scott, you want to tell them or should I tell them? You want to tell them? Tell them. Go ahead.
$120,000. $40,000 for each of the charities, all because of you.
40, did you say 40,000 for each?
40 per.
So with the matching money, with all the donations that came in through Supercar Sunday, through the entire car community, we collectively raised 120 grand, 40,000 each foundation. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable.
100% of your donations go directly to those 3 foundations.
So we're here to thank you. I personally want to thank the foundations, Changing the Lives, Porcelain Hills.
They're doing the hard work.
They're doing the hard work.
Really, this was very healthy for us, and it was a lot of fun to do. But think about all the people that are out there doing this every day. So don't forget about them during the rest of the year.
Changing Lives. I want to thank Porcelain Hills for sponsoring Supercar Sunday.
Howard and Howard.
Pierce College, law enforcement, LAPD, Sheriff, CHP. Most importantly, the car community who donated. We appreciate you so much. We're grateful. We're changing lives. 120 grand to those 4 foundations. Thank you so much.
Thank you again. We'll see you soon.
See you at Supercar Sunday.